Hey guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts. One of the most exciting products I saw at Creativation this year is the new mold press from We Are Memory Keepers, which I think will be a really cool tool that you're going to want to add to your craft room.
This is our mold press vacuum form machine. We're going to take a piece of plastic, put it into this magnetic frame, and then we're just going to insert that into the machine. We're going to let that heat up and soften for about a minute and a half. And in the meantime, we can take a random household item. We have stamps, we have like bottle caps, seashell, Lego blocks, all sorts of random things. So go ahead and put that in there. We've had people customizing them with dimensional alphabet stickers so that they can write their name out or a date or something like that. So really the sky's the limit of what you can do with this machine, and it allows you to then create the mold from whatever you put in here or use the plastic shape to craft as well. So in the meantime, while that's heating up, I've also hooked up my at-home vacuum to the machine. So most people have a vacuum. This is the one we sell, so it matches the tool. But most people have a vacuum, so either way.
Is the hose smaller than what a normal vacuum is though?
Yeah, but it comes with this adapter, so it's going to fit most at-home vacuum hoses. So. All right. Oh, it's on. It's on. Yeah. Yep. All right, and then and then it's gonna. Unless somebody turned it off. No, it's on. It's kind of hard to see. This light is so bright, but there's a little light that glows. So in the next 30 seconds, we're gonna start to see the plastic droop down, and once it does that, we're gonna know that it's ready to go. We're gonna turn on our vacuum, lower it down, and instantaneously it's going to form around whatever we have in our machine. So, let's see.
How long in general is it?
It's a miniature version.
It takes about a minute and a half. Yeah.
What from turn on?
Yeah, from the turn on phase. Right when you turn it on, it might take a little longer. It needs about 5 minutes to heat up. So I had somebody helping me take off. This is the plastic that we sell, and it comes with a protective film coating on it, so you can see. Here it is with the film, here it is without. I had somebody taking the film off for me just because it makes my demo easier. And anyway, I'm thinking this sheet, they only took it off of one side because it's double-sided. So we're gonna go ahead and try it, but it might have like a little protective filming on it, and that might.
Looks to me like there were 2 sheets in plastic.
Oh.
Like there was already a sheet in there when you put the first one.
Let's see what happens. Yeah, so it either had 2 pieces or it had the film on it or something, but still. Oh yeah, there were 2 pieces of plastic. So 2 molds in 1. Yeah, maybe they're stuck together. So don't put 2 pieces of plastic. Don't get distracted like me. But normally with 1 piece, it's going to work really well. You're going to get all this great detail. So that quickly we have a mold. We can do whatever we want with it. So a couple examples of what we've done with it. So our seashell, we took it and we made a piece of chocolate. We made a candle, and we actually took the plastic itself and made a shaker card. And then down here we have more examples. Really the sky's the limit. I love creating tools that allow the maker to realize their vision. So this doesn't just do, one thing. You're gonna get this one thing every time. It allows them to be creative and to customize and see their vision come to life. So.
There are so many possibilities for the projects that you can make with this mold press. It's just really exciting to think about. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Visit me on my blog, Madden Crafts, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!